Good afternoon. My name is Elvin from Group 9. My code number is the same as previous one, 03DSB24F2026. Right now, I'm going to present about presentation 2. It's about uh, the three modernist eras. Right now, I'm going to show about Bauhaus. So far, I have researched about 5 buildings about Bauhaus. For example, Bauhaus Dessau, Fagus Factory, houses with balcony access, Master House, and lastly, House M. Horn. So far, they have all of these almost. They have three architects that I show in this page. For example, about this Walter Gropius, George Munch, and also Adolf Meyer. Three of them is a German architect. Some of them have Americano. I will show the first one. Bauhaus Dessau is is born on 1935 till 1936. Location is Dessau, Germany. The reason I choose this because the Bauhaus design is the most iconic representation of the Bauhaus movement. Designed as the headquarters of the Bauhaus School, it embodies Bauhaus' principal functionality, simplicity, and modern material like glass, steel, and concrete. Features large glass curtain wall for natural lighting and modular open space for flexible use. It influenced modernist school and office buildings worldwide. Fungus Factory, years 1911 to 1913, location Artville, Germany. Reason, thought building before the official Bauhaus era is considered an early example of Bauhaus functionalism and industrial aesthetic. Introduced glass curtain walls, emphasizing transparency and openness, later used in many modernist buildings, represent the transition from traditional to modern architecture, making it one of Gropius' most influential projects. Use industrial material like steel and glass to maximum light and efficiency. Alright. The third one is the House of Balcony Access, 1929-1931. The reason, a perfect example of the house social housing solving urban overcrowding issues, designing with functionality in mind, focusing on affordable mass-produced house for workers. Balconies provide ventilation and outdoor space, improving the quality of life. Inspiration future urban housing projects worldwide. Provide Bauhaus won't just about aesthetic but also practical livable spaces. House and Horn, 1923. The first experimental Bauhaus built for the 1923 Bauhaus exhibit. Showcase efficient modern living with a simple keyboard design. Use standardized material and modular construction on early example of prefabrication and a forerunner to modern minimalist homes. Provide Bauhaus idea could be applied to everyday living. Lastly, Master House, 1925-1926, location Dessau, Germany. Reason, built as residence for Bauhaus teachers like Gropius, Kandinsky, and Klee. demonstrated the Bauhaus approach to housing functional, minimal, and geometric form, feature flat roof, asymmetric layout, and large window for natural light. Lastly, set a precedent for modern residential architect, influence minimalist housing design. That's all for now. I will give pass to the other team.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad and NAZMI bin ZAINUDDIN, and my number matric is 03 DSB 24F2020. And thanks to my teammate, which Elvin, and I'm gonna continue my part. And the concept that I choose is international style. Okay, I have 5 different architects and 5 different buildings. I'm going to talk about the first architect is Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, building name Illinois Institute of Technology Crown Hall, complete in 1956. The reason that I chose this masterpiece of the Crown Hall is a masterpiece of modernist architecture, showcasing structural innovation, simplicity, and functional beauty. It remains a timeless example of Man van der Rohe's design philosophy and continues to inspire architects worldwide. The second one, Geo Ponte, Wildenham Pirelli Tower, complete in 1958. The reason that I choose this masterpiece of engineering and modern design with its sleek form, innovative concrete structure, and timeless elegance. It remains a symbol of Italian architecture excellence and one of the most influential skyscrapers in Europe. Third one, Le Corbusier, Building Swiss Pavilion, Pavilion Suisse, City Universitaire Paris, complete in 1955. The reason the Swiss Pavilion is a lamp of modernist architecture, showcasing Le Corbusier's innovative principle and functionality design. Its elegant structure, minimalist aesthetic, and efficient layout make it a timeless reference in architectural history. The same guy, the same architect, Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, building name Toronto Dominance Center, complete in 1967. First phase, additional building added later. Reason: the Toronto Dominance Center is one of Mies van der Rohe's greatest architectural achievements, shaping modern skyscrapers design worldwide. Its clean line, steel and glass aesthetic, and functional elegance make it a timeless symbol of modernist architecture and corporate power. The fourth architect, Gordon Banshef, USA. Building name Lever House, complete in 1952. The reason choosing the Lever House is a great reason to highlight the beauty, innovation, and impact of modern architecture in the world. That's all for me. That's all. 4 architects and 5 different buildings from each architect for this concept, international style. Thank you. I'm gonna pass this to other teammate.
Brutalism is an architectural style known for its bold concrete structure and functional design. Robin Hood Gardens, 1972 by Ellison and Peter Smithson, was a social housing project with the streets in the sky concept to build community. Though it was demolished in 2017, the J. Edgar Hoover Building, FBI HQ, 1975 by Charles F. Murphy and Associates, is a fortress-like government building with dramatic cantilevered floors. The Ministry of Highway Constructions, 1975 by George Chakaba, has a floating interlocking design and is now the Bank of Georgia HQ. Giselle Library, 1970 by William Pereira, is a futuristic concrete and glass structure named after Dr. Theodosius Giselle, Pretin's Women Hospital, 1975, by Bertrand Goldberg, had a curved brutalist design focused on patient care but was demolished in 2017. This building showed brutalism impact on housing, government, education, and healthcare.
Okay. My name is Adam, and my conclusion, which part that I choose international style. The international styles from 1920s to the 1930s emphasize simplicity, functionality, and modern materials like steel and glass. It features clean lines, open space, and geometric form, shaping modern architecture worldwide. That's from me.
For my conclusion, Bauhaus emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and innovation, making it timeless in modern design.
For my conclusion, brutalism, with its raw concrete and bold forms, remains a powerful architectural movement. Though debate, its honesty in materials and function continues to inspire architects today. Thank you.
Alright, that's
From
all.
us, it's a wrap!